I went to school here in the United States, but since I had ESL classes, I never had the chance to dissect or look at any of those dead animals that people have in school. So I thought I would relive that experience on my own with this alien. So here's the alien, wrapped in plastic, obviously, because I bet you it's made out of slime, and they don't want the slime drying out. Dang, I don't know how they expect kids to take this off. Wow, the consistency is very, how can I call this? Like gelatin, not slime, gelatin. By the way, the scalpel that comes with it is not sharp at all. It's literally as sharp as the handle of a plastic fork, if that makes any sense to you guys. So that should give you an idea how safe this product is for anybody. So let's cut this up and let's identify every body part that we can identify. I'm going to start down the middle. It feels like you're scratching at gelatin. It's not 100% soft, but it is not hard at all. So this would be the first few layers of skin, the outer skin, inner skin, and probably the ribs if this was a real alien. This is so satisfying feel-wise, but it's not going to be that satisfying for those who like ASMR sounds. If the sound is good, I'll let you guys hear it. So right now I'm just shaving layers of what could be potentially alien fat or muscle. Assuming he has an anatomy similar to that of humans. And the first organ that we're going to get to, it's going to be the lungs. Can you take this out? Oof, yes you can. So here are the lungs of this alien, IRP, rest in peace. So next up, we have the liver, if I'm not mistaken. Liver, which is a blue liver. Next, we have the, what could this be? The stomach. It kind of reminds me of a stomach because of its shape. That would be a very small stomach. And now we have the intestines, but I need to dig them out. Oops, I'm making a mess. So I guess you would call this the small intestine. Here we go. We have, no, I'm going to call this the large intestine. And I'm going to call this foreign alien anatomy the medium intestine. I just finished dissecting an alien, and this is what the body, which might as well be the brain, sounds like. But now to answer the question, is it cool? Yes, definitely, I would say so.